When this pandemic sweeps across the globe, when there are floods in many parts of this world, when there is famine and war and pestilences, when we lose jobs, when there is loss of jobs, have you ever wondered what life will hold? Are you scared and afraid of your life? Well, there is peace in Christ. John chapter 14 verse 27 says, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you. I do not give to you as the world gives us." The peace that God promised is the ultimate peace. Money can buy peace, but it's not permanent. Insurance can give you peace, but it's not permanent. Your friend, relative may give you peace, but it's not permanent. The peace that God promised us is the ultimate peace. It's different kind of peace that the world can give us. A story is told about a king. Once the king offered a prize to whoever would paint the perfect peace. At the end of the day, the king was impressed by two pictures. The first picture portrayed a beautiful lake surrounded by a towering mountain, beautiful blue sky, birds flying in the air. Wow, what a perfect piece. The second picture portrayed the mountain as well, but that mountain was rugged and bare. Beneath the mountain was the angry rushing waterfall. Up in the sky, it was dark, clouded with thundering and lightning, rain pouring down. Behind the waterfall, the king saw a small bush. In it was a mother bird sitting on its nest. What a perfect peace. Peace doesn't mean a place where there is no trouble. Peace doesn't mean a place where there is no war. Peace doesn't mean a place where there is no hard work. Peace doesn't mean a place where there is no sickness or no war or no famine or no death. In the midst of this, if you have a peace in your heart, that's a perfect peace. And Jesus Christ promised to give the peace of this kind. Christ promised us to give us the perfect peace that you will never experience in this world, that you will not experience by wealth or by any sort of thing. And so even though if you are going through hard time, even though if you lost your job, even though there are sicknesses around, even though there are earthquake and flood, in the midst of this, if we trust God and if we obey Him, if we follow Him, there will be peace in our life. And so friend, I urge you to surrender your life to Christ. Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5 saying, "I will never leave you nor forsake you." If God cares for two sparrows, if God knows the number of your hair, God is faithful and just to preserve you. God is faithful and just to deliver you. Just surrender your life to Him. Trust Him and obey Him. And if you could trust Him and obey Him, and if you are faithful to Him, if you surrender your life to Him, even though you are in your sick bed, even though you are in your death bed, you will have the peace. And so God promised us that He will deliver us, that He will provide us, that He cares for us if we surrender our life to Him. If we put Jesus Christ first in our life, if we trust Him and obey Him 100%,